This video will guide you through the steps necessary to ensure a perfect fit for your new Vikingbags Enduro Headlight top bag. Follow these steps to properly secure your bag, and you'll be ready to ride. Your new Enduro Headlight top bag includes everything needed to attach it quickly and easily without additional tools. Place the bag above the headlight, making sure it does not cover the headlight. Route each of the top straps around the handlebar and fasten the loop. Pull the straps to tighten securely. Route the bottom straps around the lower triple clamp, and then fasten the straps. Once in place, pull the straps to tighten. Your new Enduro Headlight top bag is now mounted, and you're ready to ride.